This is your Hollywood maintenance. I'm back. This is a makeup air unit on another one of my rooftops for the hallways. The other day I changed this pump. No water was pumping out. Wired it up in here. Still wasn't working correctly, so I came back up. I already planned on washing these with the power washer. I'm not sure if you can tell, but you can barely see through this. So I'm gonna take a power washer, wash this really good. I was wondering why all this calcium here has corroded on this pipe. I want to try to clean this up. I'm gonna sand this because it pumps up through here. Well, here's the pump. Here's the water hose thing. Stands up this way, clips up here. All the way up there. I had to take the cover off. Here's the cover. Now I'm gonna sand this, get my tiny little drill bit, clean out these holes. I'm not sure if you could tell on camera. You see how clogged that is? This one's not too bad. But now I'm gonna clean this all up and get back with you. I'm gonna do a total clean. I brought my hose from the rooftop over there. I'm gonna clean this bottom pan here. Make it look real nice. I gotta put my phone down for this and I'll get back with you. All clear. Working good now. There's a filter in this. Clean that up. Filter in here. Clean that up. Clean the bottom here. Put some tablets, clean the water. It's your Hollywood maintenance again. You can see this is flowing really good now. Getting those filters clean, so it's nice. Getting them power washed. So my guy to take care of that. My chiller here keeps tripping, so I took off these covers. And look at this. I'm gonna clean these up. I'm not sure if it would do it justice, but the other side's terrible too. We pay an HVAC company up to come service these. Obviously they're not doing it. They just did it in May, allegedly. So I'm gonna clean these up, at least hose them down. I don't have any coil cleaner with me right now, but it will help it. Now says stopped. I think as you can see, looking better. Still have that one to do, as you can tell the difference. Alright, keep working at it. Hey, had to come back the next day to this rooftop. As you can see, I power washed these. Now you can actually see through them a little bit better. Cleaned all that up. Just wanted to show you the after. He was in there spraying. Did an okay job. Had my grounds guy get in there. I had to go take care of some stuff. But much better. So, just wanted to shoot the rest of this video. Welcome from downtown Denver. all you football fans. I'm not a fan, but there's the football stadium. I'm a fan of football, but this is definitely not my team. Alright, well, thanks for watching. The hallways are cooler. Everybody's happy.